guys, it's Ayami. Welcome to Ayami's Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make udon. Udon is really simple. We just need flour and water and salt. And it's kind of fun to make them, so I hope you will enjoy this video. Now let's get started. First, I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoon of salt into 100 milliliters of water. Milliliters. 1.5. Melt salt really well. I'm just gonna leave it for a few minutes so that it's gonna melt. Then I'm going to sift flour. 200 grams of flour. Sift. Next, I'm going to add this salt water into flour. So the point here is you make your hands like this. I'm going to add this water slowly and then mix flour with these hands. Like this. So I will show you. This is the salt water. Water a little bit. Then mix like this. After you added all of the salt water, it looks like this. And it became kind of like yellowish, as you can see. Now you make it one chunk. It's kind of same as kneading, like this. Bowl. Then wrap this bowl in a glad wrap and put this in the fridge for about 10 minutes to rest it. Make sure it doesn't get air inside when you wrap it. Make sure it doesn't get dried. Beautiful. Now it's been 10 minutes, so I'm going to put this bowl in Ziploc bag. Put this in the middle of the bag. Then I'm going to step on this. I'm like teeny dip, just like teeny dip. All good. Now it became flat like this. Take this out from the plastic bag and make it ball again. Then wrap this again. Again, leave this in the fridge for about 10 minutes to rest it. Please make sure it doesn't have air inside. After 10 minutes, I'm gonna do the same thing. So put this in the bag and then I'm going to step on it. Okay. The same as the last time. Just to make it ball again. Then leave it in the fridge for about 10 minutes again. While I'm waiting, I'm gonna slice spring onion for toppings. Now my udon bowl is ready. Now I'm going to make udon noodle. Okay, so I'm going to use this rolling pin. This is really hard, so I need a lot of power. Make it thin, about 3 millimeters. Last time when I made this, I didn't have enough power to make it thin enough, and then my udon was like thick like my hair. What do you call it? This is finger. So this time I will make sure to make it thin enough. 3 millimeters. I hope. Maybe 8 millimeters or something. Ding, 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 ding. Yosh. Okay, so I'm going to put some potato starch to avoid them to stick together. Then fold it like this. Now I'm going to cut it. Looks really good compared to the last time I made. Ooh, nice. Now I'm going to boil my udon. Just boil a lot of water. Then put the udon into boiling water. And boil them for about 13 to 15 minutes. Now I'm going to wash udon with cold water. Looks so good. It's shiny. Itadakimasu. So this is called Mentsuyu. If you go to Asian market, you can easily find the Mentsuyu. So I'm going to put spring onion and some wasabi here. Ooh, itadakimasu. So it's really simple to make, so please try to make udon. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Also, please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!